Hello friends. Today's word is pancytopenia. 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 It is a condition where all three elements of the blood, that is red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets, decrease. So in pancytopenia, there's anemia, or low level of red blood cells, leukopenia, or low level of white blood cells, and thrombocytopenia, or low platelet levels is seen. Pancytopenia may be caused by anything that interferes with the formation of blood cells in the bone marrow or blood cell availability in the bloodstream. Some of the possible causes of pancytopenia include chemotherapy-induced bone marrow suppression, suppression by drugs, infections such as infectious mononucleosis, IV sepsis, aplastic anemia, and autoimmune disorder.
Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep learning.